To flush the DNS cache on a Mac, you need to understand what DNS cache is and why it needs to be flushed. The DNS cache stores the IP addresses of websites you have visited, allowing your computer to load them faster the next time you visit. However, sometimes the cache can become outdated or corrupted, leading to problems with accessing certain websites. The first step to flush the DNS cache is to open the Terminal application on your Mac. You can find Terminal in the Applications Utilities folder or use Spotlight to search for it. Once you have opened Terminal, you will see a command line interface where you can enter commands. To flush the DNS cache on a Mac running macOS High Sierra or later, you need to use the command sudo /hup mdns responder. This command restarts the mdns responder process, which is responsible for managing the DNS cache. You will be prompted to enter your administrator password to complete the command. For Macs running older versions of macOS, you need to use a different command. For macOS Sierra and earlier, the command is sudo discovery util udins flushcaches, while for macOS Yosemite and earlier, the command is sudo dscache util flushcache. After entering the command and entering your password, the DNS cache will be flushed, and you may need to restart your Mac for the changes to take effect. It is also a good idea to restart your router and modem to ensure that the DNS cache is fully cleared. Flushing the DNS cache can resolve issues with accessing certain websites, but it can also cause problems if not done correctly. Therefore, it is essential to follow the correct steps and use the right commands for your version of macOS. Additionally, flushing the DNS cache will not delete any of your browsing history or bookmarks, so you do not need to worry about losing any important data. In summary, flushing the DNS cache on a Mac is a simple process that can be done using the Terminal application and the correct commands. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can resolve issues with accessing certain websites and keep your Mac running smoothly.